Alright, so I'm going to be showing you in this part how to get a ton of emails. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and create an Instagram account. You're going to go and create 5 to 10 different Instagram accounts. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to go and get this application called Profile Mate. Now what Profile Mate allows me to do is extract the emails from an Instagram account. So I'm going to type in Grant Cardone. So as an example, it could be pretty much anybody here. Okay, and what it allows you to do is extract followers. So you can also extract people that have liked a specific post here. So all I do is just copy, for example, this URL. Okay, I go into Profile Mate. Now this is a Google Chrome extension, and this allows me to find emails with pretty much any Instagram account. So what I will do is say find users. Okay, specific posts, likers, comments, and then you can simply just paste that URL in, and it will start extracting these emails. And then when you're done, you're able to download both the download likes and the commenters, right? So it really works super fast. I mean, I'm able to find, look, total users already scraped. Only 2,000 here, so it's pretty much almost done. So this software, I believe, is $64, and they have a package where for $40 extra, you're able to get things really fast, and this is, in my opinion, really worth it. So say you use this method to collect 50, 100,000 emails, and it makes you $5,000 back. Well, it's then totally worth it, and I think that this is definitely a software I would use to collect a ton of emails. So anyway, now I'm going to show you what happens. So we download the data. So say I've collected all of those people here. I already have a slide or prepared here. So we're going to go over here to analyze users. You just download the likes, download the commenters here, and then you can open that up. You're going to get a list of unprocessed people here. What you're going to do is click it and then say how far you want to go. So in this example, we're just going to go to 100. Obviously, you can go down all the way. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm going to press that and then go all the way down to how many you want. Say I want 100, and you're going to go and press Shift and then click. And then you're going to press the right click button, and you're going to go all the way down and say copy. Okay, I'm going to go back into here, and you're going to add all of those people here. And then you can simply submit, so you can name it whatever. So Grant Cardone follower liked photo 1. Okay, you're gonna say set, and then you can choose a bunch of different data. So I don't want a phone number. You can if you want to manually SMS, send cold text. It is illegal, so I would not do that. Business category. Okay, we can leave it at that. Follower account. Okay, public email, we want follower. If business, we don't necessarily care about that. Phone country, engagement rate. Okay, we can leave that on, and then link. Okay, so this is the settings that I usually use. And then this is simply processing. And look how fast it automatically works. It's collecting a bunch of emails. So then we can set followers. We don't want followers less than. We don't want to, we can just leave it at this setting here. This will work, obviously. And yeah, you're gonna get a ton of different emails like this. I'm just kind of leave there. Okay, if private account, we want no. So we do not want private accounts at all. And post is greater than 9. So obviously I want people to, look how fast we're already finding these emails here. And then what you want to do is let this thing run. It doesn't take long at all. Obviously it's not even that big of a list. I think it is finished, but it works with bigger lists. It works with a lot of followers. Anyway, what you're going to do is download the conditional data. This is based on our metrics here. You can also play around with the numbers, whatever you like, and then download conditional data. And as we can tell, we get a ton of emails, which is awesome.